Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Hi love, still with me DJ Lala para sa ating programang Sakto, Klaro, Diretso. Unang punto ng ating biyahe ngayong gabi na biyaheng self-love. Kabisyo, you have to learn self-love because you are loved. Kahit pa iniwan ka niya, kahit pa ipinagpalit ka niya, kahit pa trinaydor ka ng sarili mong kaibigan, remember, you are still loved. Meron pa rin mga taong naniniwala sa'yo at nagmamahal sa'yo. Mga taong willing tumulong sa pagkakalugmok mo. Just draw your strength from them kapag dumadating ka na sa puntong upos ka na, said ka na. Don't let the people who betrayed you get the best of you kasi they don't deserve it. If you feel like ibinigay mo na lahat yet nauwi pa din sa wala yung efforts mo, it's okay. You still have a lot of love and fire within you. Hayaan mong manghinayang sila sa pinakawalan nila. You know how much you gave? You know how much you loved. So kung dumating sa buhay mo yung mga taong nagsayang ng pagmamahal na binigay mo, it's their loss, never will be yours. You will go on knowing that a lot of people admired you for being who you were in that relationship, and that's when you'll know you gained more than you lost. Klaro? Ikalawang punto ng ating biyaheng self-love. Why is it important? Kasi you cannot maintain a healthy relationship if hindi mo matututunang mahalin yung sarili mo. Don't you ever wonder why people always mistreat you? Kung bakit ka nalang laging natitake advantage of? Bakit ka laging naloloko? It's because love, you allow them to. By loving yourself, you are setting the standard to other people on how they should treat you. With respect, care, and love. Kasi that's what you do eh. That's what you give. So tama lang na yun din yung matanggap mo. And that will only happen if you set them straight. Remind yourself that you are beautiful. Nagwapo ka. Kung hindi man loyal ka. Kidding aside. Kidding aside, remind yourself na you are worthy of love by taking care of your own needs. Project yourself the way you want to be treated, my love. If you treat yourself badly, huwag ka nang magtaka why others do the same as well. Klaro? For now, love, popause muna tayo sa ating biyaheng self-love para basahin ang biyahe ng isa nating kabisyo. So, without further ado, ito na po ang biyahe ni Lovely. Hi DJ Lala, good PM. Share ko lang po yung problema ko. Naguguluhan po kasi ako. Meron akong anak sa una kong asawa. Nagkahiwalay po kami at ngayon may kinakasama na akong iba. Hindi ko po alam kung anong gagawin ko. Gusto ko kasing makasama yung mga anak ko. Hihiling po sana ako ng advice mula sa iyo. Tawagin niyo na lang po ako sa pangalang Lovely. Thank you and more power to your show. Hi Lovely, well love, we cannot have it all. You can't expect your ex to be okay na makasama mo yung mga anak mo when hindi mo pa nga settled yung magiging setup nyo, pumasok ka na agad sa panibagong relasyon. Sometimes kasi love, putting things in order first, lalong-lalo na kung may mga bata involved, should be your first priority than your own happiness. Hindi ka na kasi single eh. Well, technically you are if you are not married. But do you know what I mean? Meron ka ng anak eh. Sana before ka nakipagrelasyon at sumama dyan sa kinakasama mo ngayon, inayos mo muna yung setup ninyo ng dati mong asawa at ng mga anak mo. I just want that out of the way kasi gusto kong makita mo kung saan ka nagkamali para hindi mo na gawin ulit, okay? Moving forward, dahil andyan na yan, I guess you just have to reach out sa ex mo. But the process should again be in order. Una, magsabi ka muna sa kinakasama mo. Parang pasintabi lang na makikipag-communicate ka sa ex mo sa ngalan ng mga anak mo. Do not take no for an answer kasi anak mo yan. Afterwards, if okay na, if nagkaintindihan na kayo, contact your ex. Sabihin mo sa maayos na paraan na you want co-parenting. Huwag nang magsumbat, huwag nang makipagtalo, lalong-lalo na huwag mong gagamitin yung ako ang nanay card dahil it will not end well for the both of you and most importantly sa mga anak mo. Remember, may pagkakamali ka na nung umpisa nung technically iniwan mo yung mga anak mo at may kinasama ka ng iba. So again, go through the gruesome process of communicating with your ex. Resort to legal actions only if after several thrice, ayaw pa ding makipag-cooperate ng dati mong asawa. And if things go well in your favor, my love, isa na lang ang hiling ko sa'yo, lovely. Be a better mother to your kids. Please, put their interest before your own. No matter how hard yung magiging sitwasyon, ilagay mo sila sa unahan ng priority list mo. Tandaan mo, hindi nila kasalanan na hindi kayo nagtugma nung una mong asawa. Therefore, hindi nila kailangan mag-suffer for it. Klaro? Well, I hope, lovely, nakatulong ako sa iyo at nakakuha ka ng tip on how to address itong sitwasyon mo, and I hope everything goes well for the both of you. Lalong-lalo na sa mga anak mo. They deserve better than this. At alam mo yan. Sa mga kabisyo natin, kung katulad din kayo ni Lovely at meron kayong pinagdadaanan and you want to seek advice from me, then all you have to do ay isend ang inyong problema sa aking Facebook fanpage, DJ Lala Banderas, or IG account, or i-text mo yan diretso sa aking biyahe text line 0917-851-4329. Again, 0917-851-4329. Naku, love, mukhang kakailanganin na nating gumarahe ngayong Friday, pero syempre, papahabol pa tayo ng huling hirit para sa ating biyaheng self-love. Why do you need to love yourself? Because self-love reduces stress. Love, stressful na yung paligid, yung sitwasyon, yung ibang tao. Huwag ka na maging stress sa sarili mo. Help yourself to feel better by taking care of your own needs, by making yourself feel good part of your daily routine. If ang kumain ang bagay na nakakapagpasaya sa'yo, go ahead. Eat what you like. May mga paraan naman to lose weight without depriving yourself. Kung gusto mo mag-travel, save and travel. You want to treat yourself with a massage and all the services you can avail to pamper yourself. Kung may extra budget, go. Make yourself feel loved every way you can. I always say this sa show, something my best friend Troy taught me. You cannot give something that you do not have. So you want the ability to love, to take care and be passionate sa mga taong importante sa'yo? Start with yourself. Klaro? Sa mga kabisyo natin, I think that's it for me ngayong Friday. Maraming salamat po for sticking with me sa 3-hour of Feel Good Show ngayong Friday. At syempre, kung nagustuhan nyo ang ating biyahe and you want more, pwede kayong pumunta sa Love Radio YouTube channel. Pwede kayong pumunta sa playlist ng biyahe. O kaya naman, you may visit my social media accounts, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Laika, and TikTok. Just search for DJ Lala Banderas. Nakasama niyo po ngayong Friday. My name is DJ Lala and you were listening sa aking programang Biyahe, ang programang sakto, klaro, diretso ng 90.7 Love Radio. GV lang, walang hate, puro love lang. Good night, everybody. Bye. Love you.
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.